Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese using milk and vinegar. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 gallon of whole milk, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, a large pot, a colander, and some cheesecloth. Make sure all your tools are clean and ready for the process. This simple recipe yields a delicious, fresh cheese that is perfect for many dishes. Let's get started on this easy culinary adventure. Now, let's move on to heating the milk. Carefully pour 1 gallon of whole milk into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Place it over medium heat, stirring gently from time to prevent scorching. Your goal is to bring the milk to a temperature of 190 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial not to let it boil, as this can negatively impact the final texture of your cheese. Patience is key here for the best results. Once your milk reaches the target temperature, remove the pot from the heat. Now, it's time for the magic to happen. Gently stir in 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see the curds begin to separate from the whey. While it's curdling, prepare your draining station by lining a colander with 2 layers of cheesecloth over a large bowl. Then, carefully pour the curds and whey into the colander. For the final steps, gather the edges of the cheesecloth and gently squeeze out any remaining excess whey. You want to remove as much liquid as possible. Form the curds into a compact ball and press it for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your desired firmness. Finally, refrigerate your freshly made cheese for at least 2 hours. This chilling time helps it set. Now, your delicious homemade milk and vinegar cheese is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.